Hello everyone, it's 5th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. The first page we have Modi Putin talks today, strategic economic 2030 roadmap likely, Putin's nuclear power, hard cell, SMRs, new gen large reactors make in India, or again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have as flights disruptions continue, how Indigo hit perfect storm, new rules, crew shortage, again very important. Then we have farm fires dip maybe undercount, ISRO study flags shift in stubble burning time, again very important for environment perspective. For the first time, CAQM wants Punjab and Haryana to monitor summer stubble burning as well, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, Russia India 23rd bilateral summit report, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have national security says not on essential goods, says finance minister, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have duty in tobacco, tool to protect health, says NDA will hurt poor the most, says opposition, again very important. Then we have the air we breathe, this picture about the protest that Congress Parliamentary Party chairperson Sonia Gandhi, party leaders Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Malaika Arjun Khagre, NCP, SP, MP Supriya Sule, all these people have been doing this protest. Then we have fatalities increase, target due to reduce road accident miss, again very important for infrastructure perspective. Going forward, we have deadline today, Waqf officials say cannot finish uploading details, again very important for policy and governance perspective. Then we have India seeks additional S-400 missile systems from Russia, offers Su-57S, again very important for international relations as well as defense perspective. Then we have US buys reactor fuels from us, why can't India, says Putin, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Russia expresses interest in Indian fishery meat products, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have not just Putin delegation, another Russian arrival, state-funded TV channel, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have insecure government doesn't want opposition to meet Putin against tradition, says Rahul, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have editorial page where we have one important editorial which is a cosmic discovery shows mystery is still out there, again very important. Then we have for India Russia partnership, Moscow must do its fair share, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have a world page where we have China ramps up presence of Navy ships in East Asia. Then we have Hexat now under lens over signal messages on Yemen strikes. Then we have Macron here urges Xi to help correct unsustainable global trade. Then we have board strike survivors lawful target admiral to tell US may lawmakers. Then we have Putin approved poisoning of ex-spy, says UK from. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the economy page where we have rupee recovers from record low on RBI intervention, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have US officials may visit India for trade talks next week, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have Prada acquires Versace, again very important for culture perspective. Then we have why Railways want to expand its high-density network, again very important for infrastructure perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.